All right, so here's your, whatever we call it, and then up top you have this plate, and I think this plate needs to come off first, and that's where these come in. So that's where this tip, how short it is, comes in handy, because it'll prevent you from stripping it. You still get a good seat without stripping. Okay, those came out really easy. I'm also making this video for me so I remember how I took it apart. So, alright, so we take this off. Alright, then we got that seal. Alright, so then we're going to dig into here. Here's the part number information. That's what I got. I'm pretty sure it's the right one. It's supposed to be original Mikuni, which this appears to be. So. Take that off. We'll clean this off. Alright, we got this carb cleaner. I just picked it up at AutoZone. Also, I'm filming with my phone now. I got these mics for it and a decent stand. We're gonna see how much better that is than the GoPro sound anyway. Because the mics, I just couldn't get them to work. And it's great for video, but the sound is just terrible. So let me see how this works out. So make sure we get you centered there. Yeah, that should be good. All right, so is it the same screw? Oh, these are really loose. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be that loose. And then this is where the needle is to let the gas actually. Oh, don't lose it. So that's under the needle right there. So you leave that in there, take that out. And then that is where this sits on it, like that. So make sure to remember that. That goes in that hole, okay? That's that screw to it. And then that's your needle. Then we got have to take that screw out. Yeah, another tiny screw down in there. Let's see, you can tell I haven't used these yet. Oh, nope, that one did not fit. Does this one fit? Wow, okay, fair enough. So the one with the washer goes down there. Okay, and now can I pull this out? Yep, it's loose. Oh, there we go. So it goes like that. And then this piece was in there like this. This piece held in, can you even see that? Yeah. This piece held in that piece. Alright, cool. And then we can take, well, let's not do that. Let's be smart. These need to come out. And then that comes right out too. Pop those in here. Okay. We have a gasket down here. Alright, so the side with the ridge goes up. Hold on. Alright, so in here you have, I think this is the high speed and the low speed. So you got to take those out as well. And apparently this one can strip, if you strip them out, you have to drill them out. So let's find the right screwdriver for that and make sure we don't have that problem, right? Alright, we're going to try these two. I love this one. I don't know why. That should do the high speed. This one should do the low speed. Let's give it a shot. Yep, nice and loose. Take that out. What does it look like? See that low speed one. Oh, that feels decent. Oh. Alright, got my super bright flashlight because I could not find out. So it's about 1 o'clock. Oh, that is working. Okay. It did not feel like it was turning. It is. No, I'm glad. Oh, is that loose? Does it not come all the way to the surface? Oh, there we go. Okay, fair enough. So there's the high-speed one, apparently. Put that with the other one. Oop. And so small one went in this hole, large one went in that hole. All right. I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but it's supposed to be like no scratches and no paint and no rust. There's no rust. It looks dirty. It looks like there's some scratches over here, but I mean, take that into account. That seal looks, it's either new, like they already did the carb rebuild and I'm wasting my time, which would be awesome, or it's just old and it's just in good shape. So, I mean, we'll find out later at the very least, right? All right, next step, here we go. All right, now we have to turn it to this side. And I am just following along a video while I'm doing this because, again, no clue, right? All right, so then we use this screwdriver again, the Japanese one. And you can tell how shallow these are. They are really shallow. So I do recommend, I got them for like 15 bucks, I think, on Amazon. They were not that bad. And you figure stripping a screw is gonna cost you a lot more time and patience than just doing this. I'm sure my buddies watching this are laughing at me, but I have no clue what I'm doing. But we're getting there. I just hope I don't have any extra bolts at the end when I'm done putting it back together, you know what I'm saying? Alright. There we go. And then we're going to put these. We're going to make them over here. Get out of the way. Throw the gasket there. Put those over there. This cap. Actually move this over here. So that's, I think, one of the membranes that needs to be, I mean, that looks really good, right? It's not even loose. It's like a drum head. I'm guessing they rebuilt it not too long ago before I got it. Okay, I hope that's the right one because that looks different. Oh, no, wait, I think he left this off. Yeah. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Good. Yeah, so this was really stuck to this. I think that's just because it's old. There's the O-ring, so we'll put that there. And I think I just take that. Hold on. So I think this is supposed to be on here. Because there's another. Oh boy. I think I've got a replacement. Yeah, look at that. Really stuck on there. So apparently, even if they did rebuild it, they obviously did not do this side. Oh boy, I get stuck. Come on. There we go. So then we got this one. And we also replace. Not sure the best way to get it out of there. I'm not really too worried about damaging it because I have the new one. How do you? There we go. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna blow it out with the carb cleaner, and then yeah, look how scratched that is, dude. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right here, the scratches. I don't know if that's okay or not. We'll find out. We're gonna spray it out, clean it up, and then blow it out with compressed air, and put it back together with the new parts, I guess. All right, I'll check back in a minute. All right, we're back. So, pretty straightforward. Now we start putting it back together, right? So we got this one first. Alright, and then oh no. Obviously it goes this way. Alright, sorry, had to watch a video on how to get these things out. I had no clue. So basically, you just take, I guess, because I have the wrist placements, so I ain't worried about tearing them up. But I do need to. Oh, there it almost came out. Oh, these are rock hard, dude. There we go. I wonder if they're the same. Okay. That side. Yeah, they look like they're the same size. Same thing. All right. Break this down a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay. Oh boy. Well, let's first. Okay. How in the hell? Be right back. Alright, boys. So, this is. Dude, I don't even know, man. So, trying to get that. Where am I at? Through that hole. Lots of jokes there, but it is. I had to look for a few videos before I found one that even described this. So obviously it goes like this over that seat where it's indented, right? You got on the other side of this, it's the same, right? Yeah, that's, oh well, I guess you don't, but this one obviously goes here. Line up the hole, and they're like, yeah, just fiddle with it till it goes in. Someone tried to do this on camera just to see. And I am terrible. I mean, I'm not a mechanic or anything, dude. I'm barely an IT guy, so. Is it maybe easier to put it through here first? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So that's one. Through there. Now let's try to get it through here. Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna mess with this. I'll be right back. Alright, I think I may have found a way. So I'm holding that side with the pliers. And then I've got this little pick tool that I use to clean my pew-pews. And I think I'm gonna be able to was it in? Did that do it? No, not quite. Okay, put those down. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, hey, that worked like a charm. All right, because this side was in. Here. Focus. Yeah, so this side was in, and then I just kind of dug in there and pried it, and that popped the other side in. All right, so let's try that live, shall we? Where'd the other one go? It's right here. Flip it over. Oh, nope. Flip it over. Do this one. Wait, let's put that one in there first. There it is. So that one was relatively easy, in quotation marks, to put this through there first. Just put one side in and kind of use that as leverage to. They're pretty tough, so I thought I was going to rip it, but. Man, why is it every time you watch a video on YouTube, it always looks so dang easy? Okay. And then we'll take this and we'll put that on there. Just hold it at an angle. And then we're going to try. Without tearing it apart. Come on, baby. So that side's in. Almost. Come on. Up through. There we go. All right. I'm sure that's the wrong way to do it, but hey, we're in. All right, next step. All right, so this is the fuel pump. So this pump, the pressure moves this diaphragm, and that pushes fuel out through there. This is really weird because this looks really good. Like, so good. Do I want to remove it? Because I know from watching the videos, underneath this is this. So it sits up underneath there, right? And this is a pain to get off. And this looks really good. I mean, tell me I'm wrong. I mean, it's brand new, man. You can tell. It's like they rebuilt the carb, and then it never ran. Oh boy, this is gonna bite me later. I'm sure of it. But I'm gonna leave that on. I'm not gonna mess with that just yet. We're gonna keep assembling. Hold on. All right. So this goes on here. Which side goes down? Oh, this side goes up. So then it goes like this. Looks good. Right, and then this one goes over the top, like so. And then the screws back in. All right, hey, haven't lost a part yet. Very nice. Okay. All right. Flip it. All right, so here comes this piece now. So this O-ring looks to be in really good shape. It's not loose. I can't even spin it around. It's like, again, it's already been rebuilt. So we're just gonna keep it. I did buy a spare, whatever this is called, and the needle. So we're just gonna pop that back in. And they were saying around this, if there is around the top of that, if there's any, on the rubber piece here, if there's any scarring or anything, you should change it out. But this one, again, looks brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and keep those. Okay. All right, let's see if I can remember how this goes without watching the video. So this went here. Oh, hey, it worked. Nice. And I think that was the screw that had the washer on it. All right, and we have the new spring. So, kind of see it's a little bit different. Oops, sorry. It's a little bit different. The new one being the bottom one. So I'm gonna put that one there, that in there. This is also a replacement piece. This is the new one. Got the rod in here as well. Alright, and oh. Hold on. Right, let's wait to do that piece. Hold on. Oops, you get back down in there. Perfect, and then we put these back in. So I was watching the video, oops, and they said that this big screw is responsible for anything over 15% throttle apparently, and this one is responsible for idle. So I've made sure they're not clogged or anything. I'm tightening it snug, not hard at all, because that's how they were. I mean, maybe that's an issue, but I don't think you're supposed to go super tight on those. Hey, if any of you guys are watching this and you have any tips, please let me know, because again, I'm more than grateful. Alright, so that's done, and now we put this on that side for the spring. That has to go in there. That, and that goes there. Oh, hey, that looks pretty good. Let me take the screw. I have to block the camera because I have to hold that down. No, stay in there. Stay in there. Whoa! Ha! Nice. Hey, not too bad. Not too shabby. Oh, I should have put this in first. Idiot. Can I slide it under there? Yes. Haha. Oh, wait. There's a gasket that goes in there. Remember this guy? So those were up. So, like that. Perfect. Now we put this in. Alright, let me just double check that again. Yeah, looks good to me. I mean, it just looks good, man. All right. Well, we shall see. All right, so then we put this one on in the replacement. Let's have a look at that one. Yeah, that one's kind of chunky. All right. All right. I hope when I edit this video later that the microphone quality is acceptable. Put that there, and when the pressure pushes down on that, it raises the needle, right? So it's good. Works well. And then we'll put this like this. Hey, look at that. No extra parts. Beautiful. All right. Nice. I like it. All right, let's go put it back on the motor. All right. Let's clean that off a little bit. Now the motor looks really cranky, crusty rather, and there are the paint's coming off and all that. But I'll tell you what, man, I did the pressure test on this one. Like I said, it was 150 psi in both cylinders, which is what it should be. So I'm not going to mess with that unless it doesn't run. If I have to, I will, but you know. All right. Sweet. That went a lot better than I thought it would. And yeah, let's see if I can't get the gas can and the oil can back in the boat.